Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everyone.
Alex, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired, to be honest, but in a good way.
I get that. That normal life tired.
Exactly. Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. Same routine every day.
Oh, that's perfect because today's topic is daily routine in simple English.
Oh, nice. That's something everyone can talk about.
Yes, and listeners, don't worry. We'll use very simple English, short sentences, real life, no pressure.
Yeah, you don't need perfect English. You just need to speak.
Before we start, let me ask you something, Alex.
Okay, go on.
Do you ever feel nervous speaking English?
Yes, sometimes, especially with new people.
See, even Alex feels that.
Yes, I start thinking too much.
Exactly. And many listeners feel the same. They understand English, but when they speak, their mind goes blank.
Oh, yes, that moment. You know the words, but they don't come out.
So frustrating. That's why daily routine is a great topic, because it's your life. You already know it.
You don't need new ideas. You just describe your day.
Exactly. So today, we'll talk like real people. No textbook talk. Okay, Alex, let's start with the morning. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. Listeners, notice the sentence, I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Simple. No stress.
Alex, what's the first thing you do?
Honestly, I check my phone.
Haha, same here.
Messages, notifications. Then I say, okay, get up.
Listeners, try saying this. I check my phone. Say it again. I check my phone.
Good job.
Then what?
I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I feel fresh.
Ah, that fresh feeling.
Yes, especially cold water.
Ha, brave. I prefer warm water. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat a light breakfast.
What do you eat?
Toast, eggs, and coffee. Always coffee.
Coffee is life.
True.
Listeners, try this sentence. I eat breakfast at home. Good. Now try, I drink coffee in the morning.
Nice and easy.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I get ready for work. I wear my clothes. I check my bag.
Phone, keys, wallet?
Yes, always checking.
Listeners, repeat after me. I get ready for work.
Or I get ready for school.
Good point.
Not everyone works. Some people study.
Exactly. English should fit your life. How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Simple sentence. I take the bus.
Sometimes it's crowded.
Oh, crowded buses.
No seats, people standing, phones ringing.
Listeners, try this. The bus is crowded. Here's a small tip. You can practice English inside your routine.
Oh, how?
When you wake up, say in English, I wake up.
When you eat, say, I am eating breakfast.
No notebook, no pressure.
Just talk to yourself.
Yes, your best listener is you. What about work, Alex?
I work on my computer. I answer emails. I talk to people.
Busy day.
Yes, sometimes stressful.
Listeners, repeat. I work on my computer.
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Perfect. After work?
I feel tired. I go home. I relax.
Nice word. Relax.
I watch TV or scroll on my phone.
Haha, real life.
Sometimes I go shopping.
Listeners, imagine this. You are in a shop. You say, I want this. Simple. Clear. At night?
I eat dinner with my family. We talk, we laugh.
That's beautiful.
Then I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth. I check my phone. Again.
Haha, same problem.
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Listeners, you don't need big words. You don't need perfect grammar.
You need confidence.
Speak slow. Speak simple.
Mistakes are okay.
Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Okay, vocabulary time. Easy words. Daily life.
Let's go.
Wake up. I wake up at 7.
Brush. I brush my teeth.
Breakfast. I eat breakfast.
Work. I go to work.
Study. I study English.
Busy. I am busy today.
Relax. I relax at home.
Dinner. I eat dinner at night.
Tired. I feel tired.
Sleep. I sleep at 11.
Listeners, repeat any 2 words you like. You can talk about your day. You can speak English.
One sentence is enough.
Small steps. Every day.
We believe in you.
Thank you for listening to 24/7 Talk English.
If this helped you,
Like the video.
subscribe to the channel.
And comment below.
How do you start your day?
See you next time.
Bye-bye.